and this is in connection with the previous tutorial one regarding the molecular docking, where I explained what are the software requirements to do the molecular docking using free softwares. So how to prepare a ligand with the help of OpenBabel. From here I will start this tutorial. So this is basically the site of uh, this is basically the site of open address of the OpenBabel site. You can type this, or at the Google also you can type OpenBabel and you will get this link and you can just open it. Okay, so I will show you how to do this by just going to this one, or I can use from the another window which is already open in the computer. Yeah, this is OpenBabel. So from here you can draw the ligand of your own choice, which is very simple and easy to do that. So let's begin with this. I will prepare a ligand which is prepared in my lab, and it is very useful ligand because it is active against chikungunya, it is active against tuberculosis, as well as it has inhibitory potential towards cancer cells. So these are the feature of this one. We call it as halogenated dihydrorugosa flavonoids. Couple of papers have been published with these molecules in various reputed journals. So this is the quickly I will make this molecule. You can just select and click and you can prepare the ligand of your own choice. So as far as possible, it is very simple to make. Okay. So just do it patiently. Okay. So I will concentrate on preparing the ligand to save the time, and yes. So this is the single. Wherever you want double bond, you can make double bond. Wherever you want single bond, you can make single bond. And this is the ligand. So this is the double bond is not here because it is dihydrorugosa flavonoids and it is having halogen, so it is halogenated. Now the ligand is prepared. So now how I can use it with the help of chimera to make the ligand. So go at the top by just moving it. Okay, here is the string which you can use. This string you just give the command Control C, it will copy it, and then after that open chimera. Okay, simply, and be patient while opening the chimera. As much as time you click on the chimera, it will open several windows at Linux platform. I'm not saying about Windows. Okay, so here go to the tools. I will make it maximize for better visualization. Go to the tools. Here is the option of structure editing, and where you will get the option of build structure, make it, and just on the third it is smile strings. Here you can do Control V. So the same string will be pasted here. Just U and K, replace it by lit, which is very important. Please keep it, remember. If you will keep it as U and K, you will face the trouble while making the file at number. So I am telling you the steps one by one, which are connected, how you can proceed from chimera to Ember or NAMB. Okay. So this is this. Only one time press the button, apply. Close it. Okay. So now file, save as, save PDB. Okay. So the ligand you can do it by RUGCL, which is the name of the ligand, and you can save it in the folder wherever you want. Okay, like in my case, I have made a separate folder for the ligands and various subfolders over there. Here is one RUGCL. There, if I will click it, I can save it here. I will not do it because I want to save the time. Just I will cancel, close it, because I have already prepared this ligand. Just to explain you, I told you. File, close session. Okay. Now your ligand is prepared for the docking. Now you have to prepare your protein. So protein also you can get it from the website. I can tell you, like fetch by ID. Okay. So here you can write, as I explained in my previous tutorial, 5kCb is the receptor. I want to do the docking of my ligand. If you will do fetch or web page, you will get the protein of your choice from the RCSB site. So I will not do it here. I will just open it from the folder we have already saved. So file, open, okay. I will go to the this folder ovarian where I have this one. Here is the 5kcb.pdb. I will just select it and I will open it. I can do it from the right panel also, model panel, which is known. So this is the protein of AKT1 receptor of ovarian cancer. You can, after that, the important step, this is the full protein which is downloaded from the RCSB site. So after that, you have to do select, okay, residue, all non-standard, okay. So whatever this receptor, this is the ligand, natural ligand, which is bound with 5kCb. Along with that, it removes the water molecule or all unwanted residues which are available with the protein. After that, do the action atom bonds and delete, okay. So all unwanted residues will be deleted. The simple, this kind of benzene ring or somewhere, these are the extensions of the amino acids which are present in the binding pocket. So don't try to delete them. After that, you have to save it, file, save pdb file. You can give the name 5kcb underscore c dot pdb, okay, pdb. In the same folder, again I will not do because I have done, you can see it here, it is already saved, okay. So I will not do this, I will close it. So file, close session again, okay. So I am just making it to save the time. Now I will open the file which is already, this is called cleaned pdb without any non-standard residue. So this is the protein which is already saved in my folder, so I will open it. You have to do it by saving because if you are doing for the first time, okay. So now this is the cleaned protein. Now you have to prepare this protein for the molecular docking. So how you will do it, that I will tell you. Now again go to the tools, okay. Here is the structure editing, and then after structure editing go to the minimize structure. This time you will not go to the build structure, minimize structure, okay. So this window will open and Chimera is very friendly. You don't have to worry for yourself. It itself will tell you what is the next step you have to do. Just follow the instruction, whatever it is telling. So here you can change as per your own wish. For that you have to read several tutorials of Chimera which are freely available on internet, and then select the option neither memorize nor use memorized and then minimize, okay. So this is step you have to follow. Now again see the doc prep. I am not doing anything. It will do. It is doing on its own. So doc prep is open. Now select this and don't select this write more to file because you have to prepare PDB file. Then click OK. Okay. And after that, what you have to do? So wait for thing and go to the bottom. You see that it is giving you some messages. Okay. So follow that messages and wait for when it will give you another window to open, okay. So it takes little bit time and depends on the internet speed whatever you are using, and slowly you will get all the information. So whenever it will complete it, the windows itself will open and I will tell you what next step you have to do, okay. So in the bottom it is telling matching, building, finding. So everything it is doing on its own. So you don't need to be worried about it. Okay. When it will finish, it will open the windows and it itself will tell you what is the next step you have to do. Yeah, see here it has come. Be patient because it is adding hydrogen. Why it is doing that? Because when the crystal structure is developed, the hydrogen is very small. It is not captured by the X-ray crystallography. So it itself adds hydrogen when it has prepared, because adding hydrogen is very necessary to add the charges to the protein. Now, the changes which I will tell you is that instead of histidine, as I explained you earlier in the binding pocket, there was aspartic acid. So I will check aspartic acid and I will do it okay. Okay. So when I will do it okay, it will go to the next step. Yeah, it has opened open the another window. Now you see assign charges for DocPrep. So it is assigning the charges. Now it is AM1 BCC charge, so which is useful and it will be helpful for the Amber for FF14SB for the protein. Okay, so it is doing, and this one is for the other residue. Click it OK. Okay, so when you will do it all these things, now it is the message at the bottom that DocPrep finished. So when DocPrep finished, it will start its own steps, like you can see that on steps to tell you what are the steps of steepest gradient, because this is a time taking, so I will not waste my time. I will tell you what next step we have to do, because after that when it will finish it itself, in the bottom you will see after 15 or 20 minutes there is nothing, no messages, means that your protein is prepared. And now you have to prepare this protein by file save pdb. Again you have to write. So at this moment this function will not work. Again that in the same way you have to do this 5kcv underscore c underscore o dot pdb. Underscore o means that charges. Okay, so this protein is prepared for the docking. You can use n number of times this protein for the docking. So I will do the close session because I have to go for the next step. Okay, so I will close session. I will just say simply quit. Okay, so it has quit because it will take time, because it was memorizing, it was doing several of steps. So again I will open this window. So do next steps, what to do, because your protein is prepared, your ligand is prepared. Now you have to do docking. So for your memorization I will open again the same folder where is that protein ovarian. Okay, so now you see that 5kcv underscore c underscore o dot pdb. This is the charged file of your receptor with which you have to do the docking. So n number times you have n numbers of ligand, only just open this file and choose your ligand which you want to dock with that. If you have not prepared your file according to this one, now what are the important steps for that? I have opened the protein. Now I have to open my ligand. So ligand again I will open from the same folder where I have saved all the ligands in the subfolder. So here is my ligand RUGCL, which I showed you. I will show, yeah, now this is the ligand which has been opened. I will do it now. Docking steps are tools. Ligand is open, protein is open. Now you have to give command for the docking. To go to the tools, then here surface finding analysis, and after that Autodoc Vina. Autodoc Vina, important steps I will tell you. In the executive location, in the local, you have to give the command of the Autodoc Vina which you have already loaded in your computer. If you will not give this, it will fail several times. So this is very important, because you can do this with web, but it is from the original version or original developer of Chimera, and which is highly occupied. So get it done on your own computer. You have to give it to the local and give the path. Now here, this is the receptor 5kcv. Now ligand, since I have already opened, so you have to select it ligand. Okay. Now browse. Go to the browse. Here you give 5kcv underscore RUGCL underscore AD dot PDB. So this is, you are giving the command, or I have to save where I want to save the file. This is the ovarian folder where I have to save the file. Okay. So for changing, I will just give one more this one. So now put it set output location. That means you are telling where Chimera has to save the output files. Now second step, resize. This is the step to make the grid of your protein, or you are going to tell your ligand where you have to dock. So which is very, very important. Once you have seen the protein, you know that the ligand, original ligand was here, and your amino acids were also, like if you will click, so you will get aspartic acid AS272 will be somewhere here. Okay, so I will just make the grid. Yeah, you see that green box, it is basically making the grid, or it is telling this how where you have to dock. So I will just do it, and after that, yes, because that this window has gone at the back side, I will bring it into the front, and I will just simply give the command. Okay, so it will take time, it will tell you that key how to get the docking score. When it will finish, you will see here at the bottom, I will show you, it is showing you running. So be patient, give the time, it will take either 5 minutes or 2 minutes. Meanwhile, I will tell you how to visualize that, because I have already done this, so I will show you how to visualize that. Okay, so I will go to the Maestro. I clicked it, Maestro. Wait for that. It will open, where you can visualize all the docked structures. Okay, of the same ligand with 5K CV. And I will again tell you also how to clean the structure for the presentation in the papers. Okay, yeah, it has today it is fast. So instead of doing this, it is telling you the score. Okay, I will bring it back, so my time will be saved. Yeah. You see that it is, now you see it is the score minus 9.7, of which is pretty good score. If you click at the bottom, it will show you different poses, where are the ligands. So best I will choose the top score. Okay, so this is the top score which I will select. Okay, now important step, please follow that. uh, Instead of that, I will do select chain. Okay, and then head atom. So now you see it has selected undocked ligand. Docked ligand is this one, undocked ligand has been selected. Now go to the action, atom bonds, and delete. So your undocked ligand has already deleted. Go to file, save pdb. Okay, in the save pdb, you see that this is the receptor, and rest of the 9 poses or 8 poses of your ligand which are docked with this one. So for simplicity, so for the visualization purpose of the windows, I will save all the ligands. So I will give the command rugcl underscore 5kcb underscore dock dot pdb, or I give a name instead of MAE, for Maestro dot pdb. Okay, so I will save this file here, and then go save. Save. Okay, now next step, which is important for NAMD. So for what you have to do, I will just change the name here, NAM, and sorry, NAM, and I will select only this one and one ligand, which was the top score. Don't select all these ligand, because otherwise you will not be able to prepare the proteins required for the VMD and NAMD. So okay, and do it save. Okay, so your this file is already saved. Now with the docking scores and all that, I will show you what you have to do. Now here is, these are the all ligands, dock ligands, file, save as. Okay, now give file kcb underscore rugcl underscore ad underscore summary 3 dot pdb, sorry, qt. Okay, so and save. So just you have to save this, so all the scores will be saved. You can visualize this score again by opening this file. So suppose all the time you cannot remember, or you have to note down the scores, you can visualize this. Okay, so you can put it by the save. I will not do it because I have to do it. Let's do it. Okay, save. So this is your saved your all docking score. Next step, what you have to do, select the text one and press shift and go down button. You will select all the ligands, because you don't need to save all the ligands which are docked, and click first. So now this is the ligand which has remained over here. Now you have to do file, rewrite, not save as. Okay, rewrite 5kcv underscore rugcl, okay, underscore d, not dot, okay, not ad, okay, dot pdb. Now just unclick this add pdbqt. because you don't need add pdbqt command over here, and click save. Okay, so it is asking me because I have already done it, so I will say no, don't do it. Okay, so now close it. I will close this window. Now I will tell you how to visualize it. Okay, okay. So my window is already open at the back side. I will go it here. So this is the master window which I have opened. Go to here, file, import structures. It will ask you the folder. From here I have saved all the file in my ovarian folder. So I will go to the ovarian folder. It is here. Okay. Click, sorry, file, import structure. Okay, so in the ovarian folder where I have saved all this file, it is locked like this doc, this one, my file. I will click it open. So it will import all the structure which I have recently docked. You could see it, click it OK. Here first one is your receptor, which is visualization is over here. All the next are this, all the ligands. You could see it. You do this, do this, you can get the all poses. Now how you can visualize it together? Select one ligand, then press Ctrl and then select receptor button and then do preset. Okay, this is preset, then apply custom preset. So it will, yeah, here is your ligand. You could see that here is the hydrogen bond which is showing AsP274, which is as same as the with the natural ligand in the binding pocket. You can move your this one, your ligand everywhere. I could show you which is the next one, which is better one, I think. Okay, so here, and you can rotate it anyway. It is from hydrogen bonding. You can click it here at the bottom blue button. You could see the hydrogen bonding over here also, and rotate it as much as to visualize the ligand. Okay, so many things you can do this. How to remove the bond, unwanted bond, that I will show you anyway. I will do it again. I will go to the receptor. I will do this one and this one. Okay, and I will put preset. Apply custom preset. Okay, so yeah, this is the ligand pose. Okay, so move it as much as, because comma button, colon button, everywhere you can play with that. Your ligand is bound. You could visualize the hydrogen bond from this one. Okay, it will tell you there are a lot of options which kind of bonds you want to save, and for that you have to learn master tutorials, which is also freely available. So this is the way you can visualize your ligand. Any of this pose you can visualize from this one. Do this custom preset and you can visualize it. Okay, you can top, bottom, anywhere direction you can move it. Okay, so now how to remove the unwanted, this one. So select on this one, put the right click. Here is the option undisplay. So that will be, the undisplay will be removed from this one. It is not removed, it is only undisplay. So this is way you can clean your structure, or here you can see the ligand interaction diagram. Okay, so it is telling you, it is making the bond with arginine 273, or rest of the things you can visualize. Okay? So now I will go back to the Chimera and I will tell you how you have to prepare the files for the MPAR tutorial. Okay, so this is the, will help you to make the publication size images with the help of, yeah, important step which I would like to tell you how you have to do. Like this image, suppose if I want to make it publication. So here I have to go window, uh, Windows workspace, save image as. So it will be this one. Here you can give the PNG image will be developed. You can give here path if you want on the desktop, or if you, otherwise it will save in the master. So instead of that, you can select it at the desktop or whatever you want. Okay. So this is how you will make it. Now, what I have to do, this I will tell you. I think I have done wrong things, activities, and here is already my windows are open, don't open so many windows. I will do it closed sessions. Now, how to prepare the files for the Umber tutorials. Okay, so here open this file, open. Okay, go to this one. First open your ligand, which is docked, this one, underscore d dot pdb. Open up. Okay. Oh, sorry, I have opened the wrong one. Close session. File, open. Okay. Now this is RUGC. Okay. Okay. See, only one ligand is there. After that, open the same file T5KCV underscore C underscore O dot PDB. So it will go at the same pose where it has dropped. After that, go to the model panel. Okay, from the favorites, model panel. Okay, here both are this. Now select both this one and press Ctrl and select the top one. Go copy and combine. Okay, these are the important steps I am telling you, because I struggled a lot how to prepare the Umber file. Most of the time Umber rejects the file whichever you have given. I will give the command RUGCL underscore file KCV underscore C dot PDB. Okay, and just close source model. Okay, and then it will say okay. No, don't say apply, it say okay. So it is the file which is prepared. After that, you make the file write pdb. Okay, now you can give this one command. I am going little bit hurriedly because the video I don't want to be too longer. Okay, then C. Okay, and save that same file. Okay, so your file is saved. Now close it. Okay, file close session. Okay, now at the right hand model panel, you will see that at the top the same file is there. Open this one. Okay, now what is the important step? I will tell you. This is your ligand, which is top. This is the protein. Now you have to, if you have to prepare the file for the Umber, you have to do two important file: chemistry, okay, and then element, and then click hydrogen. So it will save all the hydrogen which is required to remove if you have to go to the Umber. Then action, atom bomb, delete. Okay, so it is removed. Now again you have to save file, save pdb. Okay, now press it H. Okay, and save the same file in the folder, like in the ovarian. I think I have got. Okay, so go to the ovarian. Yeah, it is the same H file. Okay, do it save. So now this file is saved. I have already prepared, so it is asking me whether you want to do the same. I will do it. No, I will just explain you. So this is all about how to prepare the file for the LAMP, how to prepare file for the Umber. I will close this because if you like my video, just share or write your comments, and I will post my next tutorial number 3, to explain you how go further with the same one. Okay, so how you can proceed for the Umber. Okay, thank you very much for watching me. I will end this one. File close. Okay, end meeting, so it will